You can make excuses or you can make progress, but you can't make both. Let's get straight to the truth. If your life isn't where you want it to be right now, and there's only one reason you've been making too many excuses. Now that might sting, that might be uncomfortable to hear, but it's the starting point of every breakthrough you'll ever experience. Because nothing changes until you take complete, unshakable responsibility for everything in your life. You see, the habit of making excuses is the number one reason most people never rise. They never lose the weight, never build the business, never write the book, never break through the ceiling they've been stuck under for years. It's not because they're not capable. It's not because they're not talented. It's because they've convinced themselves that their circumstances are more powerful than their decisions, but that's not the truth. The truth is this: your life is not determined by your conditions, it's determined by your choices. And the moment you stop making excuses is the moment you reclaim your power. So let me ask you, what's the story you've been telling yourself? The one that lets you off the hook, the one that says, I don't have time, I don't have support, I wasn't born into the right family, I've tried before and failed, the market is saturated, I'm too old, I'm too young, it's just not the right time. Excuses are seductive because they sound reasonable, they feel true, but excuses are lies you tell yourself to avoid the discomfort of growth. They're permission slips to stay exactly where you are. And the problem is, the longer you believe the excuse, the more it becomes part of your identity. Before long, you don't even question it anymore. You just accept it as reality. But it's not reality, it's a story. And the good news, stories can be rewritten. You can decide right now that the old story ends here. That from this moment forward, you will stop defending your limitations and start designing your liberation. That doesn't mean it'll be easy. It means it will be worth it. So how do you do it? How do you break the cycle of excuses and build a life of unstoppable execution? You start with awareness. Begin to notice when you speak in excuses. Catch yourself. Interrupt the pattern. Every time you hear yourself say, I can't, stop and ask, is that true or is that comfortable? You'll be shocked at how often your limitations are self-imposed. Next, accept this principle. You are responsible for everything in your life. Not your parents, not your boss, not the government, not your past, you, and that's not a burden, it's a gift. Because if you're responsible, you can change it. When you stop blaming, you start building. When you stop complaining, you start creating. When you stop making excuses, you start making decisions that move you forward. The most successful people in the world do not wait for perfect conditions. They don't sit around hoping for better luck. They move, they adapt, they work with what they have. They say, this is where I am. This is what I have, now what can I do with it? And that's what I want you to ask yourself today. What can you do right now with what you have? Because action kills excuses. When you start taking ownership, when you start showing up earlier, staying later, pushing harder, something shifts inside you. You stop seeing obstacles and start seeing opportunities. You stop waiting and start winning. Excuses are the language of the average. Responsibility is the language of the excellent. And that means you must change the way you speak to yourself. No more someday. No more I'll try. No more I wish. Replace it with I will. I'm doing this. Let's go. Your self-talk becomes your self-image. And your self-image dictates your behavior. So if you want to change your results, start by changing your words. Now let me give you something practical. One of the fastest ways to destroy excuses is to set non-negotiables in your life. A non-negotiable is a standard you commit to regardless of circumstances. Not when it's convenient. Not when you feel like it. Every day, you want to lose weight, make 30 minutes of exercise a non-negotiable. You want to grow your business, make 10 outreach calls, a non-negotiable. You want to write a book, write 1 page a day. Every day, no matter what. It's not about doing everything. It's about doing the right things consistently. Discipline beats motivation, always. Because motivation is a feeling, discipline is a decision, And that decision repeated daily destroys excuses at the root. Here's the truth. Everyone has excuses. The difference is winners act in spite of them. Average people make decisions based on how they feel. High performers make decisions based on who they've decided to become. So who have you decided to become? Are you someone who shows up regardless, or someone who waits for perfect conditions? Because those conditions may never come. Waiting is a silent killer. It feels harmless. But every day you wait, you reinforce the belief that something outside you controls your destiny. But it doesn't. You do. Your time, your focus, your effort, they're yours. And the moment you reclaim them, the excuses begin to die. Now let's address something deeper. Sometimes excuses don't sound like excuses. They sound like logic, like analysis, like caution, but they're still fear in disguise. So let's call fear what it is, a liar. Fear says, you're not ready. The truth is, no one is ever fully ready. Fear says, you're not good enough. The truth is, you get good by starting. Fear says, you might fail. The truth is, failure is the tuition you pay for mastery. You cannot escape fear, but you can refuse to be led by it. Take the first step, even if it's small, even if it's messy. Courage is not the absence of fear. It's taking action despite fear. And action creates momentum. Momentum creates belief. Belief crushes excuses. So what's one thing you've been putting off? One goal you've been justifying away? Decide right now to take a step. Not tomorrow, not next week, today, because if you don't, the excuse grows stronger. And every excuse you entertain makes it harder to break free later. This is your moment to stop the spiral, to draw a line in the sand, to say, enough, no more waiting, no more blaming, no more wishing. You are not a victim of your life. You are the author of it, and the pen is in your hands, so write a new chapter. One where you stop negotiating with your limitations, one where you wake up with purpose instead of excuses, one where your goals aren't just ideas, they're commitments, one where your habits match your hunger. It doesn't matter where you've been, it matters what you do now, right now, because the only thing separating where you are from where you want to be is consistent execution. You don't need more time. You don't need more resources. You don't need more approval. What you need is more responsibility, more decisiveness, more follow-through. Every time you say, I don't have time, remind yourself you do have time. You're just not making it because time isn't found, it's created. And it's created by cutting out the unnecessary. What do you need to stop doing today? What do you need to say no to? Excuses are often hidden in your schedule, in low-value tasks, in endless scrolling, in conversations that drain your energy. You must clear the path ruthlessly, because clarity and excuses cannot coexist. When you are clear, excuses have nowhere to hide. This is the mindset that builds momentum, and momentum, once built, becomes unstoppable. But here's what you must understand. Excuses are addictive. They're easy. They give you something to say when the pressure builds, something to blame when the outcome isn't what you wanted. But you don't grow from easy. You grow from effort, from choosing the hard path when no one's watching, from taking full ownership of the result, even when it hurts. And it will hurt sometimes. You'll make mistakes. You'll fall short. But that's not failure. That's feedback. Use it. Don't run from it, because every failure faced with responsibility becomes fuel, and every excuse faced with truth loses its power. So be honest with yourself, brutally honest. Where have you been making excuses? Write it down. And then, next to each excuse, write a new decision, a new standard, a new declaration. No more, I don't have time. Now it's, I make time. No more, I'm too tired. Now it's, I do it anyway. No more, I'm not good enough. Now it's, I'm getting better every day. Your life changes the moment your language changes. And the moment you stop waiting to feel ready, you'll never feel ready, and that's okay. Do it anyway. Because the truth is, action comes first. Motivation follows. Most people wait to feel motivated before they act. That's backwards. You act first. You keep promises to yourself. You build discipline like a muscle. You move when it's hard. You show up when it's boring. You outlast the resistance. That's when you get momentum. That's when confidence returns. That's when the voice in your head starts to shift from I can't to I do. And that shift changes everything. Because excuses don't survive in the presence of identity. Once you decide who you are, your behavior follows. Are you someone who follows through? Are you someone who finishes? Are you someone who honors your word even when it's hard? Then prove it. You don't prove it by talking. You prove it by execution, quiet, focused, consiste exécution. That's how real growth happens. Not in big leaps, but in small, deliberate actions taken every single day without excuse. And yes, people will doubt you. That's fine. People will question your pace. Your ambition, your plan, that's fine. Let them talk. You don't owe anyone an explanation. You owe yourself results. Because one day, the people who once doubted you will ask how you did it. And you'll smile, not because you want to boast, but because you remember the version of you that almost didn't try, but you did. You stopped making excuses. You started making progress, and that decision changed everything. So take a breath right now. Look yourself in the mirror and say, no more excuses. I am done waiting. I am done justifying. I am done settling. I am responsible. I am capable. I am committed. This is the beginning of your next level. Not because you wish for it, but because you work for it. Every excuse is a brick in the wall between you and your potential. Tear it down. One decision at a time, one action at a time, one standard at a time, until there's nothing left between you and the life you were born to build. Because once you stop making excuses, there's nothing left to stop you. Only the next step. So take it. Now,